Yo, Wincrease, the market is officially closed and you know what time it is. It is time for the weekly recap. Let's check out how the markets perform and see if we can get a glimpse into how it will perform next week. To the Chartmobile. All right, so let's take a look at the first thing. Let's look at the S&P. First chart, S&P, we have the market closed at 42, 47, 44, and you see that the record high is 42, 49, 74. And as always, whenever you hear that the market is closed near its record highs, chances are that it will likely continue. So I'm looking to see if we have some continuation next week. And if we do, my price target is still 4,500. I see the market pushing higher since we have closed above our resistance and we closed near those record highs. I don't see anything in the way, and you see a very strong trend, as we've pointed out over the weeks, that the market is stomping higher. Hi, baby. Okay, so that is the S&P. Let's take a look at the Russell, ticker IWM. So IWM, we closed at 231.70. Record high is 234.53. That's pretty close. I would have loved to see if this week would have closed above that high, but let's see what next week can bring. We've had continuation, and I have always stated that if the market closes above 230, that will likely continue on, and my price target is still 250. Now, the high on this candle was 230.95, okay, and we closed above that, so we have a very good chance of at least pushing next week into testing out 235. If it doesn't get there, we will likely at least test what the lows were from this week to see if it has that strength. And being that we've seen that we've had a very strong trend on this one as well, and this is the one that I've watched closely, we've held 220. The last time it got there, which was 2 weeks ago, it bounced off, and we've made a very serious bounce, and now we are near those record highs. So I think we're going to continue to go. So that is it for this week. That is the recap. Remember to check out my boys Marathon Money every single week. They give you their stock picks on the Marathon Money Plus. Also, you can check out the Marathon Money free podcast. I will be working on this new Stocks and Bars episode, and that'll be coming out soon. And until then, we will catch you next week. All right? Peace.